Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a closed or private party on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you want to go ahead and make a private party so other people can join, it's very easy to do that. So press the PlayStation button and then go on down to the game base. Now go to your party chat option in the middle here and go to start party. And you have the option for open party or closed party. Let's go to the closed party. Now, the closed parties are going to be tied to your messaging groups, but you can go to a pre-existing messaging group right here, or you can create a new group on the top, where you can invite friends under here or go to play together. Now, what I like to do is when I go to messages under the game base, I'll add my favorite group on the top here. So it's always existing, and I never have to search for it. So you can see my favorite party, the B team, and it's very easy to add a party as a favorite. So if I go to the group chat here and then go to more on the bottom, I can go to add favorites. Now when I go to start party and I choose that messaging group, other people can automatically join if they have access to the party. So I don't have to invite them, but it's going to prevent people who aren't in the group chat from joining. And you can always invite more people or add them to the group chat right here. Just go to their name. Now you can still make your open parties private or closed. So if I go to open party, we do have the option to require requests to join. If we select this, people will need to be invited or they need to go ahead and ask your permission before they can go ahead and join. So if I start the party right now, I can invite people to my party under here. Now this is a one-time party. Unlike closed parties, as soon as I close this down, it's going to stop existing. That's one great thing about the closed party. You can join them at any point in time, and your friends can hop in them with you. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.